Hey beautiful people, we are back at another property. This property is not done. You can see they have to still do a few more touches. I think they have to repair little things in here before it can be done, but I still want to show you guys what it looked like right before it is completely finished. So this home right here is a 3-bedroom 2-bath home. So this is the closet here. So you'll have this closet. It looked like they haven't put up like the racks or anything in the closets here, but that's one of the bedrooms. This is their bathroom, and then you have another bedroom here. You do not have any neighbors across the street. You don't have any neighbors like right in front of you because you have that road right there. So there'll be people over here eventually, people over there, but you don't have anybody like right in front of you, which is really good. They're offering up to $25,000 as a closing cost credit for these properties too. So that is something that's really good. It can help you buy down your interest rate if that's what you want to use it for. And it could just be great too in just paying for your closing costs. This is where your laundry will be. And then this is your beautiful kitchen. So you can have your dining room there because you can see the light is there. So that will be your dining room. And then this will be your living room here. And I like this too because you can set up your couches and everything here so that you can kind of entertain outside still, and you can have all of it like incorporated, you know? I feel like the outside can still kind of be connected to the inside. And I suggest that you guys do not put like a screen in your lanai, your area here, put something up. And you can put a TV on the wall right there. You can see you're gonna have your outlet right there. And there's nobody back there yet, but there will be someone there. So you'll be neighborless for a while in the back of your house, which is really good. This will be your bedroom here. So this will be your bedroom here. And then this will be your bathroom. So double vanity, your wet closet with your toilet. Then also this is your shower. This is your closet here. So actually this is a nice size closet. And then you would have like a linen closet here too. So that's really good. So you'll be able to have a linen closet here. But that's what this home consists of. So definitely call or text me if you guys like this property. Phone number is 407-374-2747. I'll be happy to give you more details on this property and then help you with the process too if you want to buy it. So definitely call me and let me know if you have any questions. Bye.